Hey guys, this is part 2 of spelling. So we were doing page 88, right? So just gonna read the directions one more time. Stanley is interested in sharing his love for fish and maintaining aquariums. He researched and wrote down the necessary components of aquariums so he could share the information with his friends. Read his narrative and write the correct list word for each bold word or phrase below. So we kind of have either synonyms or definitions of certain words in the bolded section, right? So we're just going to be writing down the corresponding spelling word that matches the definition or synonym with the numbers over here. So again, I'm just going to be doing some of these with you, and I want you to try your best with the rest of them. And then if you have any questions, of course, tomorrow during Zoom, we will go over it. All right. So with these spelling words, there are a lot of words, let's be honest. So it might be confusing trying to keep track with all of the different meanings. I know in school, we usually define them first. And so you can definitely do this at home by using online dictionaries or your actual dictionary or your glossary. That way you have the meaning right with you when you're doing things like this. Or if it helps you, you can of course look through this PowerPoint. Sometimes it helps to visualize the meaning. Or of course you can use the Korean English Translation Dictionary. So let's actually look at this. Why don't we go ahead and give it a start, okay? Fabulous fish. Today, I would like to share about how to set up a fish aquarium. You should understand the uniqueness of God's design for fish and also fully comprehend or understand the intricate components of a fish tank. So this is kind of summarizing the aquarium, why God's design for fish is super important. Yeah, I learned some helpful information from my local fish store manager. He told me that fish need a clean water supply to live and breathe in. God created most fish with protective, rigid covering plates. So kind of look at the context clues here. So we know we have the adjective protective here, so it should be a noun. So God created most fish with blank. What do fish have? What do all fish have that protects them? Well, even some I would say scales, right? All fish have scales. Let's check if that makes sense. So putting that in the kids' dictionary, small, hard, thin plates that cover fish and other animals. So we can safely say that yes, number 1 is scales. Got it? And layers of tissue over the gills that allow oxygen from the water to be absorbed. Layers of tissue. Let's go ahead and define some of the words here. Why don't we try cartilage, just to see what it says. Cartilage, we all have cartilage. It's actually located on top of our nose. A tough white tissue that forms part of the skeleton. Oops, I accidentally pressed tissue. Yeah, a tough white tissue that forms part of the skeleton of humans and other animals. You got it? Tissue, layers of tissue. So that is number 2, cartilage. Does that make sense? So yeah, so we're just going to be looking at the dictionary as well as look through this word list to match the definition with the words. So go ahead and give it your best try, and I believe in you. And that's it for the spelling lesson, and I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful Thursday. Bye!